Hey folks, a mild evening across the valley. Temperatures right now in the low 70s in most areas, upper 60s in a few spots. And by morning, everybody but the island drops into the upper 60s, so it's a mild start to the day tomorrow. By that time, humidity will be up a bit, so there may be some patchy low clouds. I doubt there'll be much fog, probably too breezy for that. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're back in the 80s again, and some places in the western part of the valley will probably go over 90 degrees at least briefly. Wednesday, we do the same thing. We start in the upper 60s, except at the beach, about 70 there, and then afternoon temperatures climb into the 80s, except at the beach, where temperatures will stay in the 70s pretty much all day. And you look at Thursday, same story. We do it all over again. 60s in the morning, back in the 80s in the afternoon. So the next few days look pretty similar. If you look at highs, the average high for the middle to latter part of March is 81, and we're going 87, 86, and 87 again, with the records all up close to 100. So we're above average, but not anywhere near record levels, so just a little bit warmer than normal. Satellite and radar tonight, pretty quiet across the region, nothing nearby, and not much expected. Future track shows patchy clouds overnight, low clouds, that kind of thing, but they burn off quickly tomorrow. We're back to mostly sunny skies, breezy conditions again tomorrow. We repeat that process on Wednesday. So not only are your temperatures looking the same the next few days, but sky conditions looking pretty similar as well. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Thursday we do it again. Morning clouds and then afternoon sunshine, with the chance of rain staying at about 0 tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, and a very slight chance showing up in the forecast on Friday, courtesy of a little upper air disturbance is going to move by and push a weak cool front just to the north of us. No fronts in Texas to speak of tonight, nothing significant. Temperatures in the 70s almost statewide. There is a front just barely touching the state, and it kind of meanders southward but never gets anywhere close to us, so we stay warm and breezy for the foreseeable future. By the time we get to Thursday, here comes the front showing up on the weather map. That pushes into Texas on Friday. Will trigger some strong showers and thunderstorms to the north of us from West Texas all the way up into Oklahoma and Kansas. Slight chance that a shower forms in far south Texas and pushes into our region, but we're looking at right now less than 10%. If you're headed to the coast, maybe this is your spring break week. 75 degrees in the morning. Operators of small craft urged to use caution. The winds will be pretty gusty all day long. UV index remains very high. The rip current risk is low. Surf temperature still 74 degrees. Your bay temperature at 73. The bay is a little choppy. There are the tides, a low and a high. So for tonight across the valley, 66 for a low, mainly clear skies and a mild night. Tomorrow back up to 87. A lot of sunshine, a warm day. Southeasterly winds at about 10 to 18. We keep it in the upper 80s most of the forecast period, touching 90 briefly on Saturday. Again, maybe a 10% chance of a shower Friday, but for the most part, it's dry through the next 7 days, and it's mild at night and warm during the daytime. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?